In this video, it looks like the Quant price in the 4-hourly time frame has dumped to the target which we have mentioned in my previous video on Quant. I said it looks like the Quant price has formed this symmetrical triangle, or this could be as well a bear pennant, and we did broke to the downside. I mentioned the target in my previous video. I said if we measure the pole and place it to the point of breakdown, the target is an expected dump towards 131 US dollars, exactly located at this trend line right here. And I said I'm expecting the Quant price to find support at this trend line right here. So right now we have touched the target, and in this video I'll be telling you guys what I'm expecting next, and I'll tell you my next targets. But before I do so, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to consider subscribing to the channel. It only takes like 2 seconds of your time and it really means a lot to me. So let's begin. So yeah, right now the Quant price has dumped to the mentioned target, and right now basically I'm expecting the Quant price to start to have a bounce at this trend line, because first of all, if we pull up the RSI in the 4-hourly time frame, we are about to touch the oversold area. Yes, this is the oversold area, and we are about to touch that area right there in the RSI. So, and if we pull up the stochastic, we have also touched the oversold area right here. So this is simply indicating that we may be expecting a short-term bounce to the upside. Now the question is, will this bounce be strong enough to bring us back above and break the swing high right here? So hopefully the bounce is going to be strong, but again, right now I'm expecting for us to bounce back and have a pump to the upside basically, because this trend line right here in the 4-hourly time frame, wait a second, this trend line is acting as support. Whenever we have touched this trend line, we have found support and we basically bounced back up to the upside. One example is this dump right here. Once we touched the trend line right here, we had this little bounce to the upside. Right now we've touched it again basically. So yeah, I'm expecting a bounce. Of course, I'm still sticking to the bullish scenario, which is right now we are on track for higher prices. However, if the Quant price breaks below the trend line, there's one exception. If we break below this trend line, if we have a break below the trend line, this is going to be bearish, and I might have to as well flip to the bearish scenario, which is right now we're going to be moving to the next support level at 125 US dollars. That is if we break below the trend line. Yes, if we break below the trend line, this bullish uptrend may be cancelled. So I'll be sure to update you guys about this, but let us move to the weekly time frame. And still, my view has not changed in the weekly. I'm still expecting that right now we are on track for the wave 3. Yes, but of course, to confirm that we are indeed on track for the wave 3, which by the way is targeted at 400 US dollars, we must break above the swing high right here at 192 US dollars, because it's acting as resistance. So to confirm we are on track for the wave 3 targeted at 400 US dollars right here, we must first of all break the swing high at 192 US dollars to confirm we are indeed moving up for a wave 3 at 400 US dollars. Because if we fail to break above the swing high right here, then the bearish scenario may play out, and that bearish case, which I have mentioned a lot of times, is this could be a corrective wave to the upside. This could be a corrective wave before continuing to the downside, forming a lower low in the weekly time frame, which I'll discuss in my future videos if that does happen. But that is the quick update. If you guys want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, then don't forget to sign up on Bybit using my affiliate link, and you guys can get up to $30,000 in bonus as well as 0 fees. And don't forget to join my Discord server, where I post daily market signals and updates to my videos. Watch this video that's being displayed on the screen right now.